What actually happens to matter 6,000 meters below the ocean surface? Not in theory. In actual, measured atmospheres of pressure, pressing on an actual, measured area. This video works through 3 real numbers, and by the end you will understand why almost the entire ocean floor is a place no unprotected human body has ever touched. Start with the baseline everyone already lives inside. At sea level, the air above you presses down at 1 atmosphere. You don't feel it, because your body evolved inside it. Water is roughly 800 times denser than air, so pressure builds fast as you descend, about 1 additional atmosphere for every 10 meters of seawater. Go down 100 meters, and you're already at 11 atmospheres. Go down 6,000 meters, and the number reaches roughly 600 atmospheres. 600 atmospheres. That's the first number, and on its own it's just a figure on a gauge. So let's turn it into something your body actually understands. Take an area about the size of a human palm, roughly 100 square centimeters. At 600 atmospheres, the force pressing down on that single palm-sized patch works out to approximately 62 tons. 62 tons, on an area you could cover with one hand. That's heavier than a fully loaded semi-truck, concentrated on a patch of skin. There is no version of unprotected human tissue that survives contact with that number. This isn't a slow injury. It's instantaneous. So how does anyone actually reach those depths and come back? Not by resisting the pressure. By building something rigid enough to hold a bubble of 1 atmosphere air inside an ocean, trying to collapse it from every direction, evenly, all at once. The real engineering answer is the third number. The DSV Limiting Factor, a real, currently operating full ocean depth submersible, uses a pressure hull 9 centimeters thick, machined from titanium into a near-perfect sphere, accurate to within a fraction of 1% of true spherical form. That precision matters. A sphere spreads crushing force evenly across its entire surface. Any flaw, any deviation from that shape, becomes a weak point the ocean will find. This is the same vehicle class that has carried pilots to the deepest known point in the ocean and back, repeatedly, on a titanium shell less than the width of your hand. Put the 3 numbers together and the shape of the problem is the same one this channel keeps returning to. 600 atmospheres is the environment. 62 tons on a palm is what that environment does to anything unprotected. 9 centimeters of titanium, shaped to a near-perfect sphere, is the entire margin between the two. No figure in this video is invented. Where the exact numbers vary by source, we use the most directly measured and documented ones available. The ocean below 6,000 meters isn't dangerous because it's mysterious. It's dangerous because the arithmetic is completely unforgiving, and it has been checked.